Welcome back to my channel. Can just water grow your hair back? Sounds unbelievable, right? But today, I'm going to show you a 100% natural, science-backed hair growth spray made from simple ingredients like rice water, onion, ginger, rosemary, and more, that can transform thin, weak hair into thick, luscious locks. No oils, no chemicals. Just a powerful blend of water-based ingredients that actually work. Welcome to your hair care breakthrough. If you're struggling with hair fall, thinning, or frizz, this remedy is not just a trend, it's a game changer. Let's dive into this hair growth water that's been creating buzz worldwide. What is hair growth water? Hair growth water is a nutrient-rich spray made from natural ingredients infused into water, designed to nourish your scalp, stimulate follicles, and encourage faster hair growth. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and ideal for all hair types, especially dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. Why this works? Each ingredient in this spray plays a powerful role. Fermented rice water, rich in inositol and amino acids that repair and strengthen hair. Onion water, high in sulfur, stimulates dormant follicles and reduces hair breakage. Ginger water, improves blood flow, energizes scalp cells, and prevents dandruff. Rosemary water, clinically proven to promote hair regrowth like minoxidil. Fenugreek and black seed water, packed with protein, iron, and nicotinic acid to prevent shedding. Apple cider vinegar, balances scalp pH, removes buildup, and adds natural shine. Vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens roots. Glycerin, a deep moisturizer that tames frizz and softens hair. Rose water, adds soothing, anti-inflammatory properties with a refreshing scent. Rosemary essential oil, boosts scalp health and enhances the effect of rosemary water. How to make it? Ingredients you'll need: 1/4 cup fermented rice water, 1/4 cup onion water, 2 tablespoons ginger water, 1/4 cup rosemary water, 1/4 cup fenugreek plus black seed water, 5 drops rosemary essential oil, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 capsule vitamin E, 1 tablespoon rose water, 1 teaspoon vegetable glycerin. Method: mix all the water-based ingredients into a clean bowl. Add ACV, rose water, vitamin E oil, and glycerin. Add rosemary essential oil last. Stir well and pour into a spray bottle. Keep refrigerated. Use within 5 to 7 days. How to use it? Shake the bottle well before each use. Spray directly onto your scalp and massage gently with fingertips. Use daily, especially at night, and leave it overnight. You can also rinse it after 2 to 3 hours if preferred. Use consistently 4 to 5 times a week for best results. Pro tips and warnings. Always do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. If your weather is extremely dry, use a few drops of lightweight oil, like almond or argan, along with the spray. Avoid using on broken or irritated scalp. This natural hair growth spray is more than just a DIY, it's a blend of ancient wisdom and modern science. No chemicals, no fake promises, just nature working at its finest. Try it consistently, and your hair will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty and hair care secrets. Thank you for watching.